The Ravi Attri, the main kingpin or the mastermind of the UP Police Constable recruitment exam, which was held on 17th and 18th of February 2024. Ravi Attri can be said that the name is flourished in the investigation of NEET exams. Ravi Attri and his co-accused, we can say the Sanjeev Mukhia, who are said to be the main mastermind who get the paper of exam paper of NEET. And Ravi Attri just now is behind the bars. UPSTF sent him on 10th of April to the jail in UP Police Constable paper leak case. Ravi Attri, we can say the mastermind of UP Police Constable exam paper leak. He was the main kingpin who connected the persons of the TCI Express who was transporting, who was having the logistic support in the examination, and he got that paper from the Ahmedabad logistics company. And so we can say that Ravi Attri and his another mastermind Rajiv Nayan Mishra, who is also the behind the bar sent by the UPSTF, they were the kingpin of the UP Police Constable recruitment exam. But Ravi Attri is now, the name came in the NEET exams. The Bihar police is investigating. The Sanjeev Mukhia, the another accused of NEET exams, can be said associated with Ravi Attri. Although the Ravi Attri and Sanjeev Mukhia are independent gang leaders, those who operate for the paper leaks, and not only in the Bihar but even in Jharkhand and many other states recruitment exam. And Ravi Attri, when Jharkhand police and Bihar police investigated him in Meerut jail, when UPSTF was questioning, he also told to Jharkhand police about the CGL exam paper leak and many other exams he was involved. So we can say once again the main kingpin of police constable recruitment exam, Ravi Attri, is on the radar of Bihar police in the NEET exam. The Bihar police EOU unit is investigating.
All right, be with us, Santosh. I'm just coming back to you in a moment from now, but these are details that we have with us as far as the investigations in the EOU Bihar NEET paper leak is concerned. Now, EOU has intensified the raids to arrest Sanjeev Mukhia. Patna, Nalanda, Gaya, Nawada police have been alerted. Cops raiding Sanjeev Mukhia's native is what we know. EOU's probe has intensified in Jharkhand and suspects have been detained here as well. So it's a multi-state network that was running. The paper leaked from UP to Bihar via Jharkhand is what we are picking up. It travelled 3 states essentially is what we are learning.